Good day, thanks for watching my short video on farming on 40 meters squared. In this clip I have turmeric which was planted last year and is ready for harvest. This is part of the harvest, and most of the seeding stock was given out to other small-scale farmers, as my focus will be to move into cash crops this year. I did however plant one bed with turmeric and ginger. The beds will sit over the winter months and organic material will be added to help the soil. There are other small-scale farmers that need help with proper bed gardens, water tanks, and a host of other requirements. This also includes proper storage, packaging, and transport to the market. I thank you for watching, and if you wish to donate to help, please find the links to my donation page below. Jesus be with you.